Elirule ngayo iviki ephelileyo mbona ngani indlela ekade ikhangelelwe ngamaZimbabweni wonke ukuthi kube lesinqumo lesigwebo esinjalo. Isizathu ukuthi ama-nomination fees ayefakwe yiZEC ezifakela yodwa ingazange ihambe kuzwa imbono yabantu. Sibona ngani kawuhambelani le provision ka section 67 constitution ethi yona wonke umZimbabweni ulelungelo lokubana evote njalo ulelungelo lokubana evotelwe noma kuyiphi ihofisi ayifunayo. Nawo lumthetho awuzange uthi kuvotelwa kuphela labo abalemali, wathi umZimbabweni wonke. Kodwa lokho kwenziwa yiZEC ukuthi ithi yona imali ezingaka kutsho ukuthi abangela leyo mali ngabasoze bekwanise ukuthi bevotelwe. Okwenzakalayo lephalamende ukuthi iParliamentary Legal Committee ihlezi izolo siyayazi impumela yabo kodwa sikayikhiphi ngenxa yokuthi safuna ukuthi ibuye izokhitshwa ke phakathi kwedale lephalamende bese kusiba ke isikhathi sokubana abameli babantu abangameli abalemali kuphela kodwa abamela umuntu wonke bayenze ukuthi umthetho lwana ube ngumthetho obamba umuntu wonke.
What's your take on the fees yourself as an MP?
Honestly, to be honest, those fees are exorbitant, those fees are unacceptable, those fees are unconstitutional. You see, when you are elected to be a member of parliament, you are elected to serve. It should not be commercialized. I should not pay so that, the moment you are even made to pay, it's like then you are going to benefit something out of it. It ceases to be a service to the community. It ceases to be a service to the nation. It becomes a commercial transaction, and therefore those fees must fall. In fact, in terms of the law, if we are going to be a proper country, anyone who wants to be elected to an office should be elected at no cost.